Nirmala kenyam biakamal guaseme ken kononiam bana jome bana jaling report me bala report ande yeneling kakwiro achen charlat self kirme yadit kena jukwara kadwa badana dong de lunyi Dr. Riek Machar ajen bana lingo ke ja report mene kirme yadit kejen guaseme jen jatekane ite kuje influence ko demal dere kene chebe ki cha Dr. Machar cha jade lunyi kan ide to charan realeka no de kan Dr. Machar de kan short pin ke report dana charlat Riek Machar de luin ka jan konin tibeti ne duno wate ke ne te kel ke je en kir to ku je influence ke jo kan no jin chi Dr. Machar chi de luin kong wi jalun ba kon gu jalo lawo chi kon te chuk no kon ke chi kon na goro de to kare which South Sudan chi kon goro de gwa ku ka kir mi yadi ku kan wi de yar ko chi kan goro de Dr. Machar de jalun ke kir point e cha jogo no jin binetin content lo ayena bika luñ Dr. Machar ka de kwara ka bi akol kor kujba bi jalun kan e ti ke political prisoner ya ayena kir point Machar kir jogo no da na mo leka den ci kir te bide te gaw ka ta da na dong jogo jaga jen wo da Riek Machar da jalun man charat gwasa me kan no kan e kon te kel ke kir mi yadi chir mangai kon kol manyang juk Michael Makwelot atanyo ka ateny kanene bonten kokien tin loka jano de Dr. Machar de jalun kan Riek Machar cha jabulun so kuj moreng Machar bete rete jan kan me mu wete chikir mi yadi tno che Riek Machar che jalun an South Sudan wa balu re kur mishri me dana che to kala civil war ka cha gor no mo ko chikir mi yadi chikan malikana tain kan Dr. Riek Machar no ba peace agreement ba jalat mukula take a transitional government tama ka kuji mo ko shi Dr. Machar chala rami mo mino go der mal der ben eni kir ka rada bum wide mo shi mo no guje no men de kir lat ke jen gwas me der goro der Dr. Machar der jen nyen ta dan len ngaru den keje re wichen wide mi no me da la jari po dan yen ling ka tin kon tin lat ka rodien cher mo ngai kon gwas me ti ga ripo no ngwane shalat okay kre wicha ka juba ba ka nywa ye kel kir te ka reshuffling misha lat gwasame na barjeling kel ka dogudanen cha kwen gaja South Sudan President Salva Kiir Mayardit on Wednesday issued a series of Republican decrees affecting change of Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition SPLM, SPLAIO official in the government of Jonglei State. The decrees announced the relief and appointment of several state ministers. According to the information, members of independent commission and a county commissioner as part of ongoing administrative restructuring. The relieved state minister include Simon Otdol, Minister of Local Government and Law Enforcement. Also Malwal Gabriel Kon and the Minister of Finance Building, Tonwal Aur, Minister of Cooperative and Rural Development, and William Cole Shul, Minister of Gender and Social Welfare, were also removed by the President Salva Kiir Mayardit in a presidential decree in Juba. Also, Kiir has relieved Jacob Lony, chairperson of the Anti-Corruption Commission, and also Deng Arwe, deputy chairperson of HIV and AIDS Commission. George Arok George, the commissioner of Twitch East County, was also fired by President Salva Kiir Mayardit. On the same day, President Salva Kiir Mayardit then appointed Makerdak Deng. He appointed Makerdak Deng as the Minister of Local Government and Law Enforcement, Alier John Pachol as Minister of Peace Building, Manyeria Krial as Minister of Road and Bridge, Abraham Tonkwany as Minister of Cooperative and Rural Development, and Elijah Mayan Lul was also appointed as the Minister of Gender and Social Welfare. The President also appointed Duot Nial Chan as the Chairperson of the Anti-Corruption Commission, Jok Jacob Tid as Deputy Chairperson, HIV and AIDS Commission, and Magok Mabie Magok was also appointed as the Commissioner of Twitch East County. So these are the people that were elected, that were appointed by President Salva Kiir Mayardit. And yet the people that were removed were the SPLAIO, according to the information. That make it, Like many people are saying, this is one of the factors that leads South Sudan not to have peace, because it goes against the 2018 peace agreement, where Kir and Dr. Machar agree that they can have power sharing. Now, that power sharing is already stalled, and people are not moving forward. That's why international community, they are calling on government of South Sudan under President Salva Kiir Mayardit to release Dr. Machar and have dialogue for a long-lasting peace that South Sudanese people are looking for. So that is what is happening. Please, if you are new here, make sure you help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell. When we have any update, you can be notified. Thank you. Bye-bye.